We are here today in Kisumu, and we've had a one-week workshop that we discussed about the Kenya Livestock Commercialization Program that the State Department for Livestock is implementing in 10 counties. These 10 counties are Kakamega, Busia, Siaya, Bungoma, West Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Samburu, and Marsabit. This program has captured 4 value chains. The first one is improved indigenous poultry or chicken. The second one is dairy goat. The third one is honey. And the fourth one is on goat and sheep meat. We picked this because of the nature of rural poor, that we want to increase their incomes. The investments that is required in these value chains is low, and therefore the farmers will be able to uptake this and be supported. Mainly we are here to discuss with the private sector so that they can also participate in this program to support our farmers. We've engaged with the private sector on areas where we can collaborate, and each of those private sector will be able to pick the sector that they are able to support our farmers. It also includes financial institutions that will be able to provide finances where possible to our poultry or honey keepers where they face challenges of credit. We've done this as a model that is going now to be adopted within our State Department in supporting the rural poor so that they're able to upscale their production to reach what's called commercialization levels. I want to give an opportunity to one of the private sector to engage, to tell us how they are going to collaborate with this program. For example, Kenchik, whom have come on board to support us because one, they do supply the indigenous improved kienyeji chicken known as Kenbro. We want to see how we are going to use their technology, use their innovation, use their research, and use their ability to supply in the market to link our farmers to other buyers. And then we also have Kenya Commercial Bank through KCB Foundation, who are going to partner with us in terms of supporting financial inclusion to our farmers and also training our farmers on how to access credit.
I think I'd like to say thank you. We as Kenchik and the private sector are delighted to be here this week and to work and collaborate with the public sector and also other companies that we know of. We've been in this space involved in poultry for nearly 40 years now, and very much with the improvement of the backyard indigenous bird with our breed, the Kenbro. We run extensive extension services, technical. We have our own laboratories testing for diseases and monitoring. We're very heavily involved in health and nutrition with local and global partners. And we see this as a wonderful extension of what we actually already do to help and assist the youth, women in key areas. I don't think I can say too much more other than we're delighted, and this is one foot forward, and we're looking very much forward to the next 6 years. Yes? Thank you.
We're very excited. Thank you, PS, for inviting us to see how we can collaborate with government, especially to increase financial inclusion to youth and women in agribusiness. And we are glad. One of the things that we do at the foundation is to organize the cooperatives, because we know the biggest FPOs, farmer produce organizations, are organized into cooperatives. And one of the journeys that we walk together with them, even as we try to commercialize them, is to run as cooperates. So we have invested heavily through our Mifugo ni Mali program, and would want to see what it is we can do together, work with those cooperatives, lend through them, and make sure that financial access goes down to the women and to the youth of this country. So we're excited to also see what we can do, even in terms of introducing blended finance, so that we're not just relying on grants. And so that come 2027, when this program is over, we have sustainability and it can continue running. So we are keen to see what it is we can do, what products we can introduce in, so that we can reach all the aggregators through a blended finance. Thank you.